This weekend, my dog died. He caught lung cancer. And he wasn't feeling well. I honestly didn't know what to do. I tried to help him, but he was just getting weaker and weaker every single day. He couldn't breathe right. He could barely walk. It was just sad. So the doctors wasn't helping. They said it wasn't no cure. So I just had to put him out. And you know, we live in the suburbs, so we didn't have no real gun. So I had to get another gun and put him out. Yo, what's he laughing at?
Calm down. He has his headphones in.
His name was Charlie, and his favorite toy was. I just took the nail gun and I pointed between his eyes and I just.
Paul, you seriously laughing right now? That's not funny.
Huh?
I just shoot my own dog in the head. I have nightmares about that. It traumatizes me.
Maybe he's looking at something funny on his phone.
Oh, I'm not playing anything.